So today in this video I want to talk about a lot of things. I went to amazing waterfall location. Like I wanted to go for last 1 year, and this time I actually did it. I went to that exact point from where you can see the amazing waterfall view. I'm sure you must have seen in the trailer, but I want to show you the journey as well, like how we reached to that place. Look at the view from here. Oh, waterfall is that side. I think we'll have to go from here and down there. But look at the view, guys. And I want to also talk about how you will actually start flying this Mini 4 Pro if you don't know anything about drones or cameras. Like you're a complete beginner and you are entering into drone for the very first time. This video is going to be really helpful for that. Let me tell you how to fly this drone for the very first time. And also I want to talk about some amazing features, some advanced features in this drone, which is going to be really helpful for all the pro travel creators, for all the basically shooters, and especially some of the features which has only been offered in this Mini 4 Pro drone. So yeah, like stick till the end of the video and I'm sure this is gonna be really helpful. First of all, let me tell you that this drone is great for beginners who wants to shoot content for both YouTube and Instagram, or maybe someone who just want to travel and capture some memories, you know, maybe traveling with friends or family and just want to keep it in the bag without any problems. And I'll tell you why. I want to share one thing, that the weight of this drone is less than 250 grams. It means it comes under nano drones. Like when you're traveling to any country, you don't need to register because it's less than 250 grams, and that's a really big plus point. You can fly anywhere, all in the green zones. Check before you're flying, but specifically you don't need to register. So guys, I'm going to Kumbhe waterfall with Mini 4 Pro. We just stopped on the way. The time is really early morning. like it's on the way to Kumbe waterfall. You see this beautiful lake, and I'm taking shot with this Mini 4. Let's see how it comes out. I'm gonna fly through some small trees and let's see. Wow, guys, the views are insane here. Do you see the clouds? I'm gonna take some drone shots. Like, I thought I'll not stop anywhere on the way, I'll just straight go to Kumbe waterfall and take the waterfall shots, but I can't miss this. Hopefully this Mini 4 can handle some rain. Like, it started to rain, but we need to take the shot. You can't miss this. Just capturing the view of the waterfall. It is just so insane. तेज बारिश हो रही है. Drone is just coming back. I was just taking hyperlapse. It's raining too much. Hopefully we'll be able to reach waterfall. It's already 11:30 and I'm not sure if we will be able to complete this video today if it doesn't stop raining. Let's hope for the best. Like, once we reach to the waterfall, we don't see this rain, because you cannot fly any drone or like you cannot use any camera in this rain. Guys, we made it to this waterfall and it started to rain again. So the view of the waterfall, like, will be from that side, but for that we'll have to take another route and reach there and we'll get to see the view of the waterfall. But from here I'm going to fly the drone and see how this waterfall looks. Hopefully, let's take it before it started to rain too much. It's raining too much, guys, but we took a lot of shots here. Now we're gonna go to the second point of this waterfall, like which is the opposite side of it, so that we can see the front view. And there is a ridge as well. So we'll try to go there if it stops raining. Otherwise, we'll head back home. And let's dry this out also. पूरा बारिश चला गया इसमें, तो सुखाने की कोशिश करते हैं इसको. Look at this location. Just look at the view. I have to take the shots from here. And luckily it's not raining, so let's do that very quickly. The whole view is covered right now, just I think 5 minutes. We took just only 1 or 2 shots. We will try to go to that special ridge of this waterfall. My friend will try to go and I'll take the shot with the drone. So let's see if it's possible or not. Yeah, I'll just set up the drone meanwhile. He's going down there.